Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Muller and I'm the CEO of ChomChom Roller. First off, I want to thank you all for supporting our product. It's just been a real big hit for Amazon. We have tons of awesome reviews. People love the product. We also get some other kind of feedback. Sometimes we'll get something negative. And so I wanted to address that, and I wanted to make sure that everybody knows how to properly use the ChomChom Roller. Because typically speaking, when we get a negative review, I'll call the customer up and I'll find out what they're doing or how they're using the product. And I find out they're actually using it improperly. And so I'll walk them through the process and then they love it. So when you get the product, it's gonna come in a package like this. So you're gonna take it out of the package to start out with. And then you have a device here that has a roller on it, and it only goes halfway. It doesn't roll all the way around. So a lot of times people might think that it's supposed to roll all the way around, but it doesn't. Because what happens is when you go like this and that, it creates a static electricity, and then what happens is it puts the hair into this compartment here, and this is where you clean it all out and everything. So now let me show you the ChomChom Roller in action. All right, so let's go to a typical couch where a dog or a cat likes to lay. And when people get the ChomChom Roller, a lot of times I find what they're doing is they're not using it aggressively enough. They're not going back and forth vigorously. What they do is they try to slide it in one direction or real slow like this. In some situations, it's not gonna work that well. And so that's not what you wanna do. The proper way of using the ChomChom Roller is to go back and forth, just like this. You see how loud the device is? That's normal. It's okay that it's loud. That's how it works. And that's how it picks it all up, by going back and forth, back and forth. And then, once you're done, open it up, and this is where all the hair goes. And you pick it all up and throw it in the garbage.